how to do email marketing with Getresponse. Hi guys, welcome back to How to Solution. In this video, I will show you how you guys can do email marketing with Getresponse. This is going to be really easy to do, and this is only going to take just a few minutes of your time. So firstly, come on to getresponse.com, and then after that, sign up. Now once you guys sign up, after that you guys are going to see this particular dashboard. So over here, you guys can see all of its features and all of its different options. From over here up top, you guys are going to see email marketing. So from over here, click on email marketing, and then after that, that's going to take you guys over here to another page. So over here, if you guys have an email marketing campaign running, you guys are going to be able to see your email marketing campaign over here. But right now, of course, I don't have any email marketing campaign running, so I'm going to click on create newsletter. And now from over here, you guys are going to see this particular dashboard. So from over here, you guys are going to see your email address. And then over here, you guys have your subject line, your recipients, your designed content, and so much more stuff. So you guys can basically set up your email marketing campaign from over here. You guys can put in all of the content that you have. You guys can put in the recipients, basically all of the email addresses. You guys can put in the subject line, and you guys can put in your email address and all of the other stuff. So guys, that is how easy it is for you guys to just simply get started with Getresponse. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.